this period, we have to see the critical velocity of the satellites on the surface of Earth in terms of gravity, in terms of density, and the critical velocity of the that orbiting satellite at the height h, also in terms of gravity gh and density rho at the height h. After that, we have to see the period of satellite, then the period of satellite at height h in terms of gravity and density. Also, we have to see that period of satellites in terms of the gravity and the density rho at the height h. From these articles, the so many that MCQs or the short answers which are asked for the examinations such as NEET, CET as well as the JEE. Then a simple MCQs, it may be asked in examinations, that is the MCQs from these articles is satellites which revolves in an elliptical orbit around the Earth, such that the distance from the center of the Earth at opposite in 4 is 4 times the distance from the Earth center at the perigee. Then the ratio of velocity of the satellite at the opposite and perigee. In these questions, the opposite and perigee means the perigee means that is the nearest distance of the that satellites nearer to the Earth, and opposite means the distance of that satellite at a longer distance, means that is the opposite and perigee. Then alternatives of these MCQs is 4 raised to 4, then 1 raised to 2, 4 raised to 1, then 2 raised to 1, that is 1 raised to 2. But we have to also know that the velocity of the satellite at opposite and perigee, then this equation is, suppose VA is equal to under root Z capital M upon RA, and VP means velocity at the perigee is under root Z capital M upon RP. Then we know that RA is equal to 4 times RP. We know that distance of that satellite from the surface of Earth at the apogee is 4 times the distance of the Earth from the perigee. So that's RA is equal to 4RP. Then we have to put this value from these equations, means that is VA is equal to under root Z capital M upon 4RP, and VP is equal to under root Z capital M divided by RP. Then we have to compare these two velocities, means that is VA is equal to VA by VP is equal to, that is under root Z capital M upon 4RP, and under root Z capital M upon RP. Then VA upon VP is equal to under root G capital M upon 4RT into RP upon GM. Then here GM get cancelled and VA upon VP is equal to under root RP by 4RP. Where RP get cancelled. RP get cancelled. Then remaining thing in this equation VA by VP is equal to under root 1 by 4. Then we have to take the square root of this, that is VA upon VP is equal to 1 by 2. So that's VA raised to VP is equal to 1 raised to 2. The correct alternatives of this equation is, that is 1 raised to 2. In such a way that then we have to go to the correct alternatives of these MCQs. From these articles again, the so many questions which are asked for the examinations. That is the MCQs from the critical velocity. Such type of questions which are asked for these such examinations. And then we have to solve such MCQs in the correct ways from the previous knowledge. Then the simple questions which is asked from these given articles, such as a satellite is moving in a circular orbit around the Earth with a velocity is called as the alternatives of such ask the MCQ is, it is revolve in a elliptical velocity, then it revolves in a orbital velocity, it revolves in a escape velocity, or it is revolve in a linear velocity. When any types of the satellites which are revolving around the Earth, which is revolving in a orbit, and that velocity of the satellite is known as the orbital velocity. Then another questions which is asked for the examinations, such as an astronaut in an orbiting satellite uses a hammer to knock out the nut. Then alternative is A, he cannot do it very easily. B, he can not do it. C, this depend upon the speed of the satellite. And D, this depend upon the mass of the hammers. When any astronauts which are in the orbiting satellites, then according to the that weightlessness, when any astronaut which is in the satellite which does not react the any types of the that reactions against the earth gravity, and that floor of the that satellite which react the reactions directly, so that astronaut cannot do these actions, means it does not hammer to the nut. That is the simple MCQs which are asked for the examinations. The similar questions, again so many questions which are asked for the examinations in various types of that MCQs which are prepared from these given articles, that is critical velocity and the period of the satellites. Thank you so much. In previous periods, we have to see the period of satellite on the surface of Earth, then period of satellite in terms of gravity, then period of satellite in terms of the density rho. Then we have to see that period of satellite at the height h, then period of satellite at height h in terms of gravity, then period of satellite at height h in terms of the density rho. From these articles, the so many MCQs which are asked for the examination, such as the satellite A of mass small m at a distance from the surface of Earth. Then another satellite of mass twice m is at a distance twice r from the surface. Then what is the ratio of that period of satellite A and satellite B? That is T1 by T2 is. Then MCQs on alternatives on these MCQs is A 1 raised to 2, B 1 raised to 4, C 1 raised to 6 and D 1 raised to 2 root 2. Then we have to see that MCQs. From that we have to conclude that according to the definitions of the period of satellite, then equation for period of satellites are according to the Kepler's third law, that is T square directly proportional to R cube, means square of period of satellite is directly proportional to the cube of radius of that satellite. Then from this law, T square directly proportional to R cube. Then from this equation, from these MCQs, we have to know that the period of satellite, that is T1, and period of satellite B is T2. Then ratio of these period is T1 square upon T1 square upon T2 square is equal to R1 cube upon, that is twice R1 R2 square. From these equations, then we have to take the cube of these, that is R1 R2 get cancelled, because that is R1 is equal to R2. Then T1 square by T2 square is equal to 1 by 8, and that is the ratio of T1 square by T2 square. Then we have to take the square root of these equations on both sides, that is T1 by P2 is equal to 1 by twice root 2. Then T1 by T2 or T1 raised to T2, T1 by T2 is equal to 1 raised to twice root 2. That is the correct answer of these MCQs. Then the alternative of this MCQ is, that is D 1 raised to 2 root 2. That is the correct answer of this MCQ. And similarly, we have to derive or determine that correct alternatives which are asked in the examination by in this way. That is the MCQs on these articles. We have to see that another article, that is the binding energy of the satellites.